This is the Garmin vivomove HR smartwatch. It features a hidden touch display and smartwatch capabilities with full activity tracking. It touts a battery life of 2 weeks in the watch mode and 5 days in the smart mode. It has a swim rating and has got the built-in wrist-based heart rate, smart notifications, all-day stress monitoring, auto activity detection, fitness level, as well as activity tracking. So we're going to unbox this and show you how to connect it together with our Android smartphone using the Garmin Connect apps. So from the box itself, we've got the quick start manual, some stickers. This is the charging cable, as well as the Garmin vivomove HR watch itself. So let's take this out. We will now show you how to power on the smartwatch and have it connected to the Garmin Connect app. Let us remove the protective strip. In order to power on, first you need to align the charging cable. Make sure that the contacts are aligned and clip it to the smartwatch and plug it to a power source. You can see that it is now charging. Next, we need to start up our Garmin Connect app. If you need the app, you can simply download it from your Play Store. So we have previously connected this other device using the Garmin Connect app. So we will add the Garmin vivomove HR. So tap on the hamburger menu and select Garmin devices. Select Add Device. It has detected that we are going to connect to our vivomove HR. So we'll select Connect it. Key in the Bluetooth pin that is displayed on the smartwatch. So it's asking us to select whether this is the preferred activity tracker. We can select yes. So the setup is complete. Go to next. We can go through the rest of the setup, but this is how you unbox and connect your Garmin vivomove HR smartwatch to the Garmin app.